Welcome. This is a video on how to use Google Docs to create a data table for data that you collect in lab and to graph that with a scatter plot to determine if there is a relationship. First, when you're in your Google Drive, go to Create, choose Spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is very similar to a spreadsheet in Excel. You have your columns. Always when you're creating a two-variable set of data, the data that is the independent variable that goes on the x-axis always goes first. I always refer to that as the x data, and the second set of data that's dependent goes on the y-axis. It always goes in the second column, the y data. If you just start to record some numbers, for example, and these are just fictional numbers, for example, maybe in X this represents time with units of seconds, and in Y maybe this represents distance traveled or displacement in units of meters. And to start at 0 time, we are displaced 0 meters. Maybe 2 seconds later, you were displaced 5 meters. 3 seconds later, displaced 7 meters. 4 seconds later, displaced 10 meters. 5 seconds later, displaced 12 meters. You've got some data. The next thing you want to do is you have your two columns, X and Y. You simply click on the top left box of data. You drag it to the bottom right box so all the numeric values are highlighted. You choose Insert, and now you want to insert that into a chart. When you go to the Chart feature, after selecting Chart, you now have your options. The type of chart you want is a scatter. And once we choose from the options, scatter, choose the first option. And now we will press Insert. You'll see a relationship here. There's the first data point, 0, 0. And if you look at all of the data points that we've had on our spreadsheet, it appears that there is a linear trend. Now when you're in the chart, you can select it, and you have two options. You've got a view option, you have an edit option. If I choose edit, a little delay here. You'll have some options to create a title and label axes.